Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And friends, today we will discuss about the transistor test, how to test transistor. So this is a transistor, this is NPN type transistor and its package is TO92. Its number is BEL 548A. It is its number, it is NPN transistor. And its first lead is collector, this lead is collector, this base, and this is emitter. So to measure the transistor by the multimeter, first we put the multimeter in the diode range. So here is the diode range, so we will set this here. So here you can see, here is the two option, continuity and diode. You can see here right now it is set on continuity, so you can set it on diode by pressing this hold and select switch. So I press it, so now it set on diode range. Okay, so now we will first check the first transistor. This is the I will show you testing of 5 transistor, and these are the reading of these 5 transistor. So first we will check this transistor. So if you do not know whether is the NPN transistor or PNP transistor, so first you assume that it will be a NPN transistor, because mostly in circuit NPN transistor is used. 90-80% transistor used in the circuit are NPN type. So to test the NPN type transistor, set the multimeter lead like this. This is common always here, and red lead on the diode continuity and resistance range. So first, mostly in TO92 package, base is middle, collector is first pin, and emitter is third pin. So we will put the first lead here and then black lead here. First lead means red lead in the middle. So it is showing some value. Okay, 0.695, and in the emitter side it is showing 0.701. So in the first transistor it is showing, earlier I had measured 0.696 and 0.701. So it is equal, nothing so much difference. So you will find in the collector and emitter measurement, you will find only this number vary from 0 to 10, maybe from 0 to 10 this number will be same. So here is the difference, 0.695 to 0.701. So it is the difference 0.005. So like this type of difference from 0 to not 0, from 0.0023 to 0.09 या 0.010 something difference you will get. So in this condition this diode is okay. Now we check the another transistor. So we will check it. It is showing 0.669 and here 0.668, and here it is showing 0.669, no problem. 1 point is it showing more, and here 0.678. So 0.678 I have noted down earlier. Okay, so it is showing this value. So you can see here in all reading, you can see collector reading is less and emitter reading is more. Okay, now we check the another third transistor. here 0.686 and here 0.693. So you can see here 0.687, no problem. In our measurement it is error something, yeah, its value vary, and here 0.694. so you can see collector less, emitter more. And next two transistor is, we will check also these. Point 0.692, 0.691, no problem. Point 0.697, but now 0.698 is coming, no problem. Now we will check the another transistor. Its value, I took these reading just 5 minutes ago. Now it is showing like this, 0.001 more. So it is showing 0.689, 0.690 it is showing, no problem, only 0.001 difference. 0.697, it is showing good. Okay, so these transistors are okay in this way to measure. This is the right way to measure the transistor. If this type of reading you get, and reading may be vary from 0.5, don't get 0.7, so this transistor is okay, up to 0.8 maybe. Okay, it is depend on manufacturer. In other company you will get the 0.5 something, 0.5 something like this. In another company you will get always more than 0.7 something. So it is also vary with the manufacturer and with the manufacturing materials. Okay, so now it is the good condition, right condition to measure. The another way also to know whether the transistor is okay or not. So first we had put the red lead at the middle. Now we will put the black lead in the middle, and we will check the collector and emitter. It will show always, it will show open. Okay, in the PNP transistor measurement you always put the black lead in the middle base, but it is an NPN transistor, so it will show always open. Okay, black lead we put in the middle base, and red we are measuring here, and collector and emitter, so it is showing open. Now we check the emitter and collector value, it is also showing open. Now we exchange the lead, check, it is also showing open. So in all condition transistor will show the open value. Only in this condition, black lead at the collector and emitter, it will show some value. So you can say good condition, working condition. Okay, and if the transistor does not show this type of value, whatever we have measured so far, so you can say transistor is damaged. And another way, the damage condition of the transistor, it may show all 3 pin short, या all 3 pin open. Even in the here and here it will not show this value. Okay, it will show open या short. In same condition, in this condition it will not show this value. If transistor is damaged, it will show short या open या some less value, 0.10 something, 0.20 something it will show in the damage condition. In the mostly case it will show open or short, because transistor mostly in 90-80% cases transistor either will be short or either will be open in the damage condition. So I hope you got this video. If you got this video, so please like and subscribe my video and press the bell icon for the next coming video notification. Thank you.